In the waste industry, a cliché is that the industry will always grow, as we will always have waste and recycling to collect and process. In today's video, I actually argue that this may not be the case, and that in the future we may have so little waste that garbage trucks will actually be a thing of the past. Sounds like science fiction? Well, let's find out. I was amazed when I found out that before plastic was invented, we basically did not have a waste problem, or even waste industry. In fact, landfills were not invented as a solution to a waste problem, but actually as a solution to filling old mines. Basically, someone had the bright idea of dumping waste in mine holes as a way to landfill them. In the future, we may also have no waste issue either. So what are the big changes? Firstly, plastic production and usage will drastically drop. This will be due to bans and introduction of compostable alternatives that will just be placed in domestic composters. Food waste will be recognised as a valuable asset and will be used to produce biogas on site in small reactors at every house. This is a bit like solar panels selling back to the grid. Already many Aussie farms use biogas to power their operations. The other big change I expect to see is 3D printing really taking off, which will transform our economy. 3D printing basically will remove packaging and transport waste from the economy. 3D printing is an additive technology rather than today's manufacturing, which cuts away excess to reveal the product. In 3D printing, you basically just print the product required, without waste or packaging. I forecast that we will use newer generation incineration systems for the small amount of remaining plastic that we do have, i.e., so we can generate energy rather than recycle or dump it at landfill. The other big change I predict, and this may be more science fiction, is that drone deliveries will take off hugely for the small amount of products that will be delivered. Road traffic, such as cargo, will hugely decrease, and working online, remotely, will hugely reduce commuting to work. Traffic jams and even road networks will likely decrease. So even though there will be fewer garbage trucks, there may be fewer roads to drive them on anyway. We'll see. Check out waster.com.au for lots more recycling info, or call us on 1300 927 837.